Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to add friends in Subway Surfers. To add friends in Subway Surfers, first of all, go ahead and open up your Subway Surfers application. Once you're in the home page, go to the Top Runs button at the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap Friends. From this tab, you will be able to add friends. Tap on Add Friends at the top and then enter a player tag in the text box. Write down the player tag for your friend and then tap on the magnifying glass icon right next to the box. Now your friend will be displayed right underneath the box. Simply tap on their name and click on Add Friend. Confirm by tapping Confirm, and you will then be able to add friend on Subway Surfers. Your friend will then need to accept the friend request so that they can appear in your friend list. If you want to add your Facebook friends, you can simply go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner from the home screen and click on the Connect button underneath Facebook. Sign in with your Facebook account's credentials, and all of the Facebook friends who play Subway Surfers will appear in your friend list automatically. So those were some of the steps you could take in order to add friends in Subway Surfer. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.